How to fix YouTube playback speed not working in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide exactly how to get your playback speed working again so you can watch videos at the pace you want without waiting around. If you're stuck at normal speed or the menu won't respond, you're about to fix it fast and get back in control. First, start by refreshing the video page. A simple reload can reset YouTube's player and bring the playback options back instantly. If the speed menu still won't open or nothing changes when you tap it, close the app or browser fully and reopen it. This forces YouTube to reset its playback engine, which often fixes glitches that make the speed function unresponsive. Next, check your internet connection. Slow or unstable connections can sometimes freeze the player and prevent speed changes from applying. Switch your phone to a stronger Wi-Fi network or toggle airplane mode on and off to restart your connection. Once your internet stabilizes, try adjusting the playback speed again to see if it responds. If you're in mobile, update the YouTube app. Outdated versions commonly break features like speed controls. Open your app store, install the latest update, and then reopen YouTube. Changes to the player interface only work correctly when the app is current, so this step alone can solve the issue for many users. On a browser, instead clear your cache. Cached files can cause YouTube to load old scripts, which leads to features breaking. Clear your browser's history and cache, reload YouTube, and test the speed controls. Now check if your device has a system-wide playback settings interfering with YouTube. Some battery-saving modes and background restrictions can freeze video controls. Go into your device settings, turn off extreme battery saver options, and allow YouTube full background access. Once those restrictions are lifted, go back to the video and try adjusting the speed again. If the playback speed menu still won't respond, try switching to another browser or device. This helps you confirm whether the issue is with your current setup or YouTube itself. If it works somewhere else, you know the problem is device-specific and updating or resetting that app or browser will solve it. By the time you're done with these steps, your playback speed should be working smoothly, letting you slow down tutorials or speed through long videos without any trouble. This quick fix ensures you get full control back so you can watch everything exactly the way you want.